Good day to my dearest future employer. Hi, I am Marilu Asoy Cotoner, 40 years old, happily married and blessed with one daughter. She is 6 years old. I live in San Roque, Tunga, Leyte, Philippines. I am a college graduate with the course of Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have a working experience in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper or nanny. I have served 5 members in the family, 2 adults ages 40 and 50 years old, 3 children ages 6 years old, 7 years old, and 8 years old. My duties and responsibilities are preparing for the foods for the children, assisted them in bathing, grooming, and going to school. I am also assisting their homework and tutoring. And I am also cooking for all the families, cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing clothes, gardening, and marketing. Madam and sir, please choose me as one of your domestic helper, and I will promise I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will follow your rules and regulations. Madam and sir, I am a hardworking, flexible, can do work under pressure, honest, and you can trust me. Thank you and God bless.